Hello friends, welcome back to Coach Candy. So today I am going to create a electronic store for mobile, electronics and computer cells. So for that I am creating a complete e-store with the ChatGPT and the Figma Make. So let's start with it. First I need to a homepage layout. So I just ask ChatGPT give me a homepage layout content. After doing this, I am asked ChatGPT to give me a prompt to write this layout. Okay, see now the command is completed and he is asking us to be create a layout structure. So let's I will give him uh, give me a prompt for the layout. I need, let's see, we just ask him about prompt, give me a prompt for the layout. Okay, so now the chat gpt will give us a prompt that will help us to create a homepage layout for the e-commerce store, electronic store. See, the chat gpt provided a complete prompt. Now I'm use this prompt, just I copy and I'm going to in Figma. In the Figma, before we go to the Figma, we just here is the Figma make. In the Figma make, we create a design by giving a prompt. So let's start with the prompt. I have a Figma account and I'm just go there and clicking here Figma make. I just close my all other tabs. See, here you can just paste your Figma frames or something, and now I describe your idea. So I just copy this prompt and give here, just paste. Okay, now I completely paste all the structure of prompt, and now I just hit, let's see what the Figma can create for us. The Figma is now starting the building the ideas about the prompt. Hello guys, let's see what the Figma says. I created a comprehensive modern electronic store homepage with all request section design features, and he completed our layouts with the Figma make. See, here is the complete design as we given the instruction. Here is the carousel also available. Shop by category: laptop, tablet, smartphone, gaming, and accessories. And it's the top brand's name also covered. Deal of the day, best sell and trending, why shop with us, and the one trusted 1 million customer section. What our customer says, start shopping now, and is a exclusive deals and update. So here is the way we can create a complete store with the chat gpt and writing the prompt, and after that using the Figma make. By doing this we can just publish or we can just share it. On the share we have just link, share anyone to with this, and by publish we can just share this to a public so they can use for your purpose. And after that, if you have a super base, then you can connect your store with this super base. So friends, here is the very initiated Figma make with ChatGPT prompt. Thank you for watching my video. If you still there, please like, share and subscribe.